Hi guys! So for the lesson this week, we are going to be doing it over vocabulary in night. Now I know it's a little weird with Sora finding the page numbers and like where we are in the book, so I figured I would show you guys. So we're going to be starting at 53% or page 129. You're going to want to start reading right here where it says a few days before, all in capitals. So that's where we're starting reading 53% or page 129. Then we are going to end reading at page 159 or page 159 or 65%. And you're going to want to end right where it says this, okay? So that is where we are starting and stopping reading. Again, it is starting at 53%, ending at 65%. So now that I have showed you where we're going to be reading in the book, now I'm going to let you know what you guys are actually going to be doing. So it's going to be 4 days. The first day is going to be definitions. So I've provided you with a list of 6 definitions, and you are going to want to do this for all 6 of them. I am providing you with an example that is found within the pages that you are reading, just so that way you guys kind of know what's expected of you. So the example word that I picked is audible. What you're going to want to do is look up a dictionary definition of the word, copy and paste that into your assignment document, and then make your own definition in your own words. So my example for audible, the dictionary definition is heard or perceptible by the ear. My definition is something you can hear. So as you can see, my definition is not super lengthy or in-depth, but you can understand that I understand the concept of the word. So that is what I am looking for you today on the first day, is just a dictionary definition and a definition of your own words. I will be back with you tomorrow so we can talk about what you are doing for that day. Have a nice day, guys.